Would you like to browse within thousands of components and combine them to make a unique piece ready for 3D printing? What about if I would say you don't need any computer skills? This is Rhinogold Elements. Design less to sell more. See how easy it is to create jewelry with Rhinogold Elements. Thousands of components available. And being that easy, anyone without computer skills can create custom jewelry. One design, endless possibilities. Choosing within a large selection of jewelry components, easily combine and edit them to your needs, and voila, the perfect match. Find solitaires, signet rings, wedding rings, bands, eternity rings, shanks, 3 stone rings, pendants, earrings, bracelets, jewelry by texts, elements. Light up your customers. Convert the customer's visit to something memorable and original. Make them interact with you. Make them participate in the creation of unique pieces of jewelry and light them up with astonishing photorealistic images. And either in-house or through manufacturing experts, there are no strings attached. Export your 3D model from Rhinogold Elements and print it out. Rhinogold Elements. It's quick, easy, original, ready. Create custom jewelry in seconds.